Uh, you ever wondered how your phone knows if your password is correct, or how a thermostat decides if it's hotter or colder than your set temperature? A lot of it comes down to a clever little circuit called a magnitude comparator. In digital logic, a magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit that compares two binary numbers. Let's call them number A and number B. It checks if A is bigger, smaller, or same as number B. Think of it like this. If you have two 4-bit numbers, the comparator chip has inputs for both the numbers, and the chip has three outputs. A is greater than B, A is less than B, and A equals B. Inside, it's a web of logic gates, that is, XNOR gates for equality and other gates to figure out whether the number A is greater than or lesser than or equal to number B bit by bit. From processor to control systems, these circuits are the unsung heroes of decision making in the digital world. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, hit that subscribe button and share this with others for wider reach. Till then, wish you happy learning.